Hello everyone, this is Matinikk and welcome to my channel. Today I got the Airpods Pro Premium copy and just upgraded my previous version to the new one. So here it is, guys. This one has the true noise cancelling. Without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. I got this AirPods Pro from the same source that I've been using, and I'll share you the link down in the description below if you are interested of getting this. So this one came with a regular box since I never asked for the original Apple box packaging. Since the packaging is just generic, so it comes with generic user's manual as well. It has the text engravings, just like the original AirPods Pro. It also comes with the Lightning USB charging cable. Comes with the rubber ear tips, which are a set of small and large. Let's take a look closely at this AirPods Pro. As you may see, this one has the mesh grill and just like the original AirPods Pro. Let's go ahead and set this one up and connect. So this one has the pop-up screen, and simply just hit connect and press the button on the back of the AirPods Pro, and that's it. Then it will ask you to set up the media control, and then for now I'm just gonna skip it. Let's go ahead and check the Bluetooth settings and see what we have. So with this, you can actually change the name or personalize the name of the AirPods Pro. And here we have the noise control, the noise cancelling, and transparency mode. It has the ear tip fit test. And for this clone, I'm not expecting for this spatial audio feature, but actually it does work. And also on a clone version, I don't expect to have this model number and the serial number appearing on the Bluetooth settings. It also shows the battery level status on the iPhone widget. Just a quick review of this AirPods Pro Premium copy. The sound quality is it's pretty good, and also as well as the microphone audio is good as well. This is the audio test for AirPods Pro microphone. Audio test 1 2, audio test 1 2 3. So overall, I'm impressed with the new version. It has the spatial audio, noise cancelling, and information of the AirPod, just like the original. Alright, so that's all, folks. Let me know what you think. So if you have a question with this AirPods Pro, leave a comment down in the section below. And thanks for sticking with the video until the end. And thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you like it, please like and share. And see you on my next video. Peace.